GCSE Physics. Welcome. Are you excited for a fun learning session? Make sure you have your book and a pen before we start. Today you will learn about energy loss. Keeping warm. Insulation is used to keep our homes and other buildings warm. Insulation works by decreasing the rate at which heat energy is transferred out of a building. Energy can be transferred from one place to another in three methods: convection, conduction, radiation. When a fluid, liquid or gas, is heated, the particles move further apart and that section becomes less dense. That part of the fluid rises as it is warmer than the rest and sets up a convection current as it sinks. It sinks because that section loses energy to the surroundings. The particles move closer together and it becomes more dense and sinks. When a solid material is heated, the particles vibrate more quickly. Vibrations are passed between particles making up the solid. The vibrations cause the particles to knock into the next particle and pass on the energy. Metals are very good at this and are classed as thermal conductors. Radiation is absorbed and emitted by all substances as infrared. Radiation can be passed through space, e.g. from the sun to Earth. It does not need particles to be passed on. The best radiators are dull and black. There are different ways that we can keep our homes warm. Cavity wall insulation. Homes are built with two layers with a gap, cavity, between them. This acts to insulate the house as it prevents heat from being conducted out of the house as air is a poor conductor. Roof insulation. The attic spaces have an insulating material added. This helps to prevent heat loss through convection. Hot air rises and can be lost through poorly insulated roofs, and through convection. Curtains and carpets also work to reduce heat loss. Both add a layer of air between windows and doors. The layer of air acts as an insulator. Double glazing involves having two layers of glass and removing as much of the air from between the layers as possible. This reduces heat loss through conduction and convection but allows heat from radiation, the sun, to pass though.